It all started in February when I started pursuing my passion out of nowhere, where I learned that editing is made for me. And I started, but the problem back then was that I had no knowledge of softwares and I wasted so much time on that. So I have made this video to save your time and save you from this question.
The biggest question and debate at the current time is which software should I use for editing? This, this, or probably these. In this video, we will end this debate, after which I will also tell you what editing software I use, and all the opinions would be from my side, who has used all the softwares himself. So first, we will talk about the ease of use. If you are a beginner and want to start your journey, then you need software to understand the basics of editing, and for that, Premiere Pro would be a little harsh on you, as
Other
software could help you do the best edits. They still aren't enough to make you a good editor, although you can work on these and still be a pro, but my recommendations would be two software. If you have an Apple device, then your go-to choice must be Final Cut Pro, and it can teach you most of the basics if done properly. And the second one would always be DaVinci Resolve free version. This version can do most of your basic work as a beginner and make you explore yourself to discover your creativity. DaVinci also creates different tabs for your work, so it becomes more accessible. Moreover, it is free with everything you need. Both are winners, but the hashtag one spot would go to DaVinci, as it can run on any device. The second point is features. Every software has a unique style and presence in the market. On one hand, some say that Premiere Pro has the most features, and some say that DaVinci has the most features. While both are correct, every software has something unique to provide value to us. DaVinci have all the assets that you need, and if something is left, then you can create anything yourself. The color grading part of DaVinci is one of the greatest things in the market right now. But Premiere Pro, with fewer graphics in his interface, is also great. DaVinci titles, transitions, or generators are less in the market, whereas Premiere Pro assets are filled with it. And Premiere Pro also provides you extensions, so it becomes more easy to find more assets if you don't want to use your hands for everything. This also comes under ease of use. So for me personally, the most valuable software with features packed is Premiere Pro. The third point is compatibility. If we take a look at the technical specifications for this software, then DaVinci is more power hungry, and as per my experience, that is true, as many things must be loaded for DaVinci, but both require you to either decrease the resolution or add proxies to make your workflow easier. So we can also say the performance becomes equivalent, so this is a tie. However, Mac users have a relief, as the Final Cut Pro is great for your work because it renders the clips in the background while you edit, which means smooth playback. The other software users also have relief from this. The fourth and the last one is price. So the price of DaVinci Resolve is completely free except for the studio. In this version you get some extra features, but for a normal person a free pack is enough, and even after that the studio also comes with any product of Blackmagic, or for $357 for lifetime, whereas Premiere Pro has a paid plan of $21 monthly, which becomes very expensive compared to DaVinci. Final Cut Pro has a price of $300 for a lifetime. Now, let's get to the conclusion. The final result is to use DaVinci or Final Cut Pro as a beginner. Use Premiere Pro as an intermediate or professional editor.
Now, there are two good news. One is that I have made a website where you can get all the stock image and footage used in this video, and some footage are coming soon. This can help you expand your creativity. Second is that from tomorrow, that is Monday, you will also see valuable short. So to never miss those short, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now,
I hope you liked this video, and make sure to drop a like button if you like this video, and subscribe for more such content. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.